Welcome back, brothers and sisters. I am Braden. This is Langley Outdoors Academy, and thank you for stopping by. All right, guys, what we're going to talk about on this episode of the Bullet Points is out in California. Now, there's a breaking situation there, which, in my opinion, is completely egregious and someone should be held to account. California gun owners just got doxxed by their own government, whether it be on accident or on purpose. I'm not here to assign that, but I am going to show you what occurred 72 hours after the Bruin decision came down, completely invalidating their gun laws. Rob Bonta, the Attorney General there, says, this is egregious. The legislature puts more gun control bills out, and then coincidentally, 72 hours after that decision was released, this happens. You guys let me know in the comments field below, what do you think? Extreme incompetence or extreme malfeasance? You guys can be the judge. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Send this out to whomever you want because this is the perfect example of why a registry is the worst idea ever on a base level. Like I said, I want to hear from you guys in the comments field below, and if you think we earned that subscription, we're always looking to get more people in the fold to further the message and pass the Second Amendment along to the next generation. We'd love to have you with us. If you think we earned that subscription, please do so. Give me a like, hit that subscribe bell. Let's get into this. This is something we need to talk about. All right. So here's the setup, and a lot of you guys reached out and said, hey, have you covered this? Have you seen this? So I appreciate you guys being on it. I wanted to let the story develop a little bit, and it has, and here we go. So here's the setup that was going on Monday. This is something that Rob Bonta, the Attorney General there, this is his office. This is his responsibility. This is what they said, and the intent was on Monday before it went live. California Attorney General Rob Bonta issued a press release Monday announcing, quote, new and updated firearms data available through the California Department of Justice 2022 Firearms Dashboard Portal. Well, why would you do that, Rob? He's going to tell us. Quote, today's announcement puts power and information into the hands of our communities by helping them better understand the role and potential dangers of firearms within our state, Bonta said of the dashboard. Well, that's ironic, speaking about potential dangers of firearms and exposure to personal information, because everything that we're going to cover is all around individuals, where they live, who they are, their IDs, their licenses, everything revealed by the state government. Again, either extreme incompetence or extreme malfeasance. I'll let you guys be the judge because I don't have any direct evidence to say one or the other. I'm leaning, but again, I'm not in the business of assigning blame if I can't prove it. So here's the article. This is from the Reload. This is a very good article, and it's substantiated by a lot of other ones as well. Massive trove of gun owners' private information leaked by California Attorney General. This came out yesterday around 1 p.m. The actual leak occurred on Monday. Today for the filming is Wednesday, so this is happening pretty quickly. Check out what was revealed, and this is not evidence, if this is not evidence of why you don't want a centralized database, I don't know what is, because it exposes these people, these individuals, these families, these judges, these officers to dangers they don't need to be exposed to because they've embraced a Second Amendment right, which is perfectly normal. Not in California, though, because this is just an unfortunate accident. All right, check this out. The California Department of Justice 2022 Firearms Dashboard Portal went live on Monday, and with publicly accessible files that include identifying information for those who have concealed carry permits. The leaked information includes the person's full name, race, home address, date of birth, and date their permit was issued. The data also shows the type of permit issued, indicating if the permit holder is a member of law enforcement or a judge. This is so bad. These are the people that say you can trust them. You can trust them with their safety. You can trust them with their data. You can trust them with all those things because they're here for the Second Amendment as long as reasonable restrictions are applied. Are you kidding me? This is the state attorney general. Let's keep going. The Reload reviewed a copy of the Los Angeles database and found 244 judge permits listed in the database. You just doxed 244 judges. Excellent. The files included the home addresses, full names, and dates of birth for all of them. So not only do you have a danger on a list of where firearms are for criminals to see, you also now have exposed them to Social Security issues, to identity theft issues, to home fraud, all these different things. What are you going to do about this, AG? What you got, Rob? Probably nothing because your intentions were pure, because you're as pure as the driven snow, and you would never intend to do this. I can't. Let's keep going. The same was true for 7 custodial officers, 63 people with place of employment permits, and 420 reserve officers. 2,891 people in Los Angeles County with standard licenses also had their information compromised by the leak, though the database appears to include some duplicate entries as well. Hey, I'm just going to throw this out there. Is it just me? And again, in the comments field, let me know. Or do these leaks and exposures of public information only happen in blue anti-gun bastions? I don't know, like Los Angeles and New York with New York Times. Is that a coincidence? Anyway, let's keep going. I'm getting a little spicy because this is so egregious. The Office of Attorney General Rob Bonta confirmed private information had been exposed and said they're examining the situation. Quote, "We are investigating an exposure of individuals' personal information connected to the DOJ firearms dashboard," a spokesperson for the office told The Reload. Quote, "Any unauthorized release of personal information is unacceptable. We are working swiftly to address the situation and will provide additional information as soon as possible." Yeah, I'm not going to hold my breath. Is anyone going to be held accountable for this? Is anyone going to be any kind of litigation or lawsuit or anything going to come from this? Oh, yeah, it is. And if you are in California, I highly recommend you seek legal advice because, whoa. And by the way, I'm not a lawyer. I'm just saying, talk to one. Instead, the leaked private information of gun owners is likely to increase the risk criminals will target their homes for burglaries, something the state's dashboard reports happened 145,377 times in 2020 alone. Now, keep in mind, this is also the same place where the police are saying, be a good witness, don't fight back, don't do anything, give criminals whatever they want. What is going on in California? The state of California just put 2,891 people at extreme risk by accident. Either extreme malfeasance or extreme incompetence. And both of those are pretty crappy options. And that's what I've got for you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments field below, and I'll see you tonight at the 9 p.m. segment. I'm Braden. See you later.